create a new project. Input the name or number, or both. For target type, please review your target shape. If it is a statue with obvious geometry, select the first icon. Normally, for this shape, feature alignment is workable. But if the target has smooth surface such as car, refrigerator, table, sofa, or the target is standard primitives, please select the last icon. As we noticed here, only marker line is active. That's to say, for the target's lack of geometrical character, marker line is always the priority. If the target is flat, plate type, select the second icon. These three classical shapes are accordant with different algorithm. Please make the correct click. There are 4 kinds of alignment. Feature align could directly scan the target. Marker line need to stick markers on the whole target surface firstly, then go for scan. Hybrid align is more flexible, which only need to stick markers on the smooth surface part instead of the whole target. Regarding frame align, well, when your target is not larger than 1 meter, if you want to learn how to scan and supersize the target in high volume accuracy, please go YouTube channel to see how frame align worked. The last choice is scan mode. It means the projecting light area, or ROV. Standard mode is 30 cm by 24 cm light area, suited for scanning objects larger than 30 cm size quickly and fluently. Fine mode is 12 by 10 cm light area, mainly applied for targets under 30 cm getting higher resolution. Take the first icon, feature align standard mode for example. Click the button to finish creating project. Then we enter test mode. Test mode helps us to find the best brightness. Under test mode, we could see the live scan display, but the scans will not be saved. Press the left and right arrow key to get the sharpest image, then forward. If we think testing mode is unnecessary, we could skip this step, or remove this step by settings. Now we are in the scanning interface.